All right, guys, another crazy one. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This car was a project car a few months back. 1016 Industries full wide body kit. This was wrapped in that beautiful purple color. It has the Charles Blue interior. And this was taken to Vegas to SEMA in that condition. We brought it back. Customer wanted to take the wrap off and make it all factory white color. So we had to rip off the body kit. It was all glued on, as you guys know. And the way we glue things, they never fall off. So they're technically supposed to be permanent, but we still took it off. And upon taking it off, we obviously have to refix the entire kit because certain aspects chip, break, whatever. So the entire kit was removed, the wrap was removed, and then we fixed the kit, made it all perfect again, test fitted it, we painted everything white. As you can see, the only thing left on this car that's chrome is the grille slats in the front, which is widely popular. We used to do that a long time ago. The slats look really nice when they're chrome like that, just like the black badge and that kind of stuff. Even the Spirit of Ecstasy is white. The emblems we painted white with black lettering inside, because if you paint it completely white, you're not gonna see that Rolls-Royce lettering anymore. So white and black letters right there. And then check out those crazy massive 26-inch wheels right there. These wheels were black before. We had to restrip them and brush them. So they've been stripped of the black powder coat and they were brushed. So now they have that aluminum brushed appearance. You guys already know 24-inch wheels always sadly look small on the Cullinans, especially wide bodies. So the 26 really exaggerates it, and since it is a wider body now, the car is in slammed mode. This is not how it drives. But yeah, everything's painted white. The flares, the rocker moldings down there, the window moldings, door handles, little door lock, the whole rear bumper, everything is painted white. I mean, we even left the white walls on there. We might be removing that. You guys let us know, comment below, let us know if you like the white walls or we should remove them. We even have thoughts about painting the wheels to match the body. And obviously this interior is wild, the Charles Blue. I mean, this is pretty crazy right here. So it looks like a cloud on the outside, and then you got that Charles Blue, baby blue color on the inside. Even the headliner is Charles Blue. That's very, very tough to get, but everything is Charles Blue, and it has navy blue carpets. I hope you guys enjoy it. We have a lot more in store for you. The next video, you guys are gonna see the red SF90 Spider project completed, which is gonna be insane. So stay tuned for that. G800 Brabus, customer was here, so we didn't have too much time to film it, but we just finished it up. Full new Brabus parts in the front grille, the center carbon fiber. We added red lights behind the grille. We added the second row LEDs from Brabus. It's really sick because now you have 4 LEDs that go in front of the bumper. We also cleaned up the wheels, painted the center caps B red. We also added the roof spoiler and carbon fiber from Brabus. So a lot of new Brabus parts went on that G800. That's an older 2019 build. Really, really nice car in pearl white. And now the car's cleaned up, looks nice, and it's gone.
We have this Range Rover here. This car was towed to us because a customer hit something really bad on the road. This was right after New Year's. A lot of parts were not available on this car. We just got the final parts in today. Everything's already installed, so we're gonna just go on a test drive, make sure alignment's good as well, and we're good to go on this one. Customer's on the way.
Because like that, nobody come and touch the shit, you know?
You don't want them touching the window?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Anything happen, it's my fault. In this beautiful car, we don't have no problem. We don't want no problem, so we don't want nothing.
So you wrote that?
Uh-huh. Both sides. You see the other side too?
This car is gonna be sick when we're done. So I had this idea of what you should do. I want to do the half top area in white, shiny white, and the bottom stays like this. This is 3-stage pearl white. Let me get the wrap sample. I want to show you guys what we're gonna do with this car. So guys, this Maybach we done a while back. This had 20-inch wheels. We made the stock wheels into 22s. So for 2 inches stock look, we made it a bit bigger, but now he's back, so we have an idea that we're gonna do on this car. The top section, we're gonna do shiny white. I gave him the idea of making the wheels white. He didn't want to do it. He doesn't like white wheels, so we're gonna stick with the chrome. We're gonna stick everything. We're just gonna make it two-tone. He didn't want to go satin either. He wanted shiny white, so we're gonna do all shiny, keep the chrome. He likes the classy look, and we'll get it done, and we'll show you guys on the next couple videos. Yo. So I'm next to your car right now. What do you want to do with this? You know how we're wrapping this in white, right? So what do you want to do with this? Do you want me to make it all black so the whole top is black, or you want me to do this white?
Yeah, do it white.
Do this white. Cool. If it doesn't look good, we'll just change it after, right? So we're gonna keep it white. That's what he wanted. And it's pretty easy to change it. So if he doesn't like it, we can always go back to black. We're gonna buy all new emblems, by the way. We don't double tape emblems. We always buy them new because the factory double tape on there always sticks better. Other companies, they cut it out and just to save a couple $100. We don't do that. We want to change everything. It depends. I mean, these can go to 300, 400, 500, 600. Depends. The emblems over this Maybach emblem is probably $150. This is, you know, probably the whole set. It's about $300, $400 for it, but we do it anyway. We want to make it right. We don't want to, you know, have it fall out because a lot of people, like I said, they double tape it, they cut it out just to save a couple $100. But pressure washes, when they wash it, they start flying out. I've replaced a lot of them at the shop here because they don't do it right. But over here, RDB, we only do it right. All right.
Look at this cigar.
Look, I am smoking $100 cigar. This cigar is 45 years old. I have cigar collection at home. My house is 20,000 square feet.
We have the RDB 14s.
We did it again.
These are called the RDB 14s.
Because the silver matches the brush. Yeah. This one he did good on. I like this build.
Oh, it's your first build? That's good?
No. It's not his first build that's good. It's the first build that makes sense.
No,
It looks really, you did good on this one.
Yeah.
Good.
Thanks for the compliment. Made my day.
It looks good though, no? It's on Lomo though. Wow. You should get one of these, bro. He doesn't want to talk. Okay, cool. Oh, the rear tire's low.
Oh, it shows it.
Yeah, it shows it right there. It's not red. I think if it's lower, it turns red. If it's low, if it's a bit low, it turns orange.
Another Range Rover, guys. We've been getting a lot of Range Rovers lately, and this is another beauty. Every single time these cars are coming in here, they're looking better and better. So with this Range Rover here, it's got the RDB 14 wheels, and they're 24-inch RDB 14 wheels wrapped in Toyo tires. This customer doesn't really want to do much to this car as of yet. Just put on a set of wheels. It looks so much nicer. So we're not lowering this car. Personal preference. He doesn't want to do it right now, so he just wants it to be stock like this and have a nice smooth ride. And that's about it for this one. So yeah.
It goes down, but after I pass 30 miles an hour, it goes back up.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I just have to keep locking it. So a couple of the shots he probably took are on high mode or regular mode. The customer didn't want to lower it. Oh. Why? Be nice to me.
Another one where someone trashes it? Nah.
It's hard to find the stick shift. That's what we had a stick shift.
How much is it worth?
This one I don't know, but the stick shift I know is really expensive. The stick shift one is hard to get and it's really expensive too.
This Murcielago just came in on the tow truck. We're going to obviously replace the front bumper. That's basically it for this one. Hopefully there's no other damages. I don't think there is. It's probably just a bumper replacement. These bumpers are pretty hard to get because obviously the older the car is, you know, it's a little difficult to get your hands on bumpers and stuff, especially on Lamborghinis. There's usually like a wait time and stuff. But on this one, luckily, we do have good connects to it and we do have a bumper for this car. So we're going to replace the bumper and get this thing out of here.
It's almost a Porsche. Plug it in, it's gone.
Your car is ready to go. What is it called? The code? What's
The
code?
valet
The
code.
valet code? Okay.
Okay, and I'll be there probably in about a little after 30 minutes.
Yeah, you're good. I'm just gonna do a quick video shoot and that's it.
What does the valet code do? You can't go past like 10 or something?
No, it locks the street so you can't do anything on the car. It's like protection for the owner. Like
Oh,
let's say
that's cool.
let's say he takes you to a restaurant or something, they can't with the car.
Yeah.
They need a code, you know?
Who's that?
Oh man. Who are these people? Who's this? Who's this guy? Thanks, using RDB Wheels.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha!